Hello guys, welcome once again to a new short video. So what I noticed for some time now is that my fuel indicator it's faulty, and to be honest I don't know if it's actually the instrument cluster or is the level the fuel level indicator in my fuel tank. So in order to test this, there is a neat trick, and I want to show you how to do it. But first of all, let me show you how the indicator is showing. I just filled the tank full. So when I start the car, you see that the fuel indicator is not 100% full, even though at the fuel pump was all the way up to the top. So there's two things. Either the indicator is not going all the way to the full indicator, or there is a problem with my fuel indicator in the fuel tank. So in order to test this, what you have to do is take the key out of the fob. So with the key out, let me see if I can do this with one hand. So I hope you can see. What you have to do is press on the reset button located here. Okay, so you have to keep it press this indicator, then insert the key fob, press it again until you see 02, and then when the 00 comes, just double press. And now the test is going. So you see the fuel indicator is going all the way to the 1, so full. That indicates me that this is not a faulty cluster, instrument cluster, but indeed is the indicator in the fuel tank. Let's do it again. Maybe you didn't saw it. Keep it pressed. Insert the key in the fob. Then put it again, click 200, and then 2 times. Okay. So I hope you like this 2-minute diagnostic. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe to my channel, and I hope I have helped a lot of you guys. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.